just say that some don't have the good luck of long lives. However, this evening should be particularly fun if you let it. Go on, live it like your last. Now I think it's time for dinner.
That you could sneak past the Reaper. I always know when your time has come.
Today's actually Halloween, and I'm in shorts, flip-flops, short sleeves, chilling. It's supposed to be 74 degrees today. The ocean's pretty calm. Beautiful day. I'm gonna walk down the beach a little bit before I go back to the truck. I left my sunglasses in the truck. went to Mama Kwan's for lunch because they go all out for Halloween. So I wanted to go in there and get an order of wings. They have some of the best wings I've ever had. So I did. I got an order of wings, and I got an order of fish tacos, blackened fish tacos, which is like my favorite thing. I say that Mama Kwan's fish tacos are some of the best fish tacos I've ever had. And some people agree with me, and some people don't. It's just a matter of opinion. I'd give them a shot for myself if I were you, if you like fish tacos. But they go all out for Halloween. They had a lot of decorations up, as you can see, so I'm going home.